This product will impact our whole Pakistan economy. Local wheat for vitamin D, at least we can import 44,000 container of vitamin D per annually in Pakistan. So we can make a whole much our exports dollar on this product. Like we can grow it local raw material like wheat straw, rice paddy straw, and also the tea waste after drinking the tea with which is remaining there. We can also grow mushroom on there. Just in 1 kg will be only expense will be 30 to 40 rupees per kg of mushroom, and we can utilize this for the production of mushroom, and we can make our like gradients of mushroom cultivation being a port industry. We encourage has an employment source for unemployed graduate farmer, specifically household, and utilizes current skill and new skill. Basically, I am interested in nutraceutical industry. For nutraceutical industry, Pakistan there is only 1 to 2 tablets are made only in Pakistan. Other the whole material are imported from the whole world. Being a plant pathologist, I study and do practical experiment. 50 to 60% of the antibiotic other medicine are basically coming from the fungi. And here there is a very little research on fungi related compound like from aspergillus, there is statin which is too much in Pakistan. Mainly there is some cardiac patient. So statin is basically from they extract from aspergillus. Until 1970s, it is extracted from oyster mushroom because oyster mushroom contain their whole body weight 2.8%. It contain this testing compound which is used in cardiac patient. Solution to current socio-economic local program, first type of mushroom. So this is the first time we produce in Pakistan mushroom in Ichu Mandi. In the whole world, there is only 1, 2 projects are completed and just 5 to 6 projects are currently running. Which is this project only in Australia, US and Canada. This project will now now it is in running stage. Now it is in running stage. Essential nutrient to major problem vitamin D deficiency. Export global market from which I take the data how much Pakistan importing vitamin D, revenue, or decrease substitute and decrease import of raw materials vitamin 2 to replace them with local developed product for sale foreign expenditure. So this is my cost-effective vitamin D nature supplement. This I said with the industry, the super industry. So I will discuss my project with them. So they tell me that we are producing vitamin D which I am importing 132 per milligram vitamin D3 and which are made from vitamin D which I give him the data and practical proof. So he said on this we can only 20 milligram per vitamin D. So the expense will be utilized up to this much. Prevention of vitamin D deficiency consequence using local developed product, and we can also control different diseases in our local population because more population are vitamin D deficient. Special thanks to Zafar Iqbal sir, which are now in Texas University. He is from chemistry department and all the chemical chemistry related behind this product. He fully give me support and also utilize his knowledge and we also preparing this product. He can give me full time. And the next special thanks to Dr. Abdul Mateen Khatak, research special at Prairie Agriculture Research Institute in Canada. They both in Pakistan just last year. So before completing this product, we have completed that. Basically, he gave me this idea how to produce this product because he have a PhD how to control plant diseases through light. Mainly special Semitic fungicide which we are using, they mainly target ergosterol. And if we can change the light mechanism, we can control also light, and also light can be used as a fertilizer for plant. Before me, the sir explained very well how can light can increase and decrease our production, etc.
Thank you, Dr. Sir. We are short of time.
Any question?
One quick question if somebody is to ask.
One point if I add. If you are mostly women are using sunscreen if you go to the outside. If you make mushroom to the अगर आप मशरूम को सूरज में रख लें तो आपको सूरज जाने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं होती. जिस तरह डॉक्टर कहते हैं आप दिन में 1-2 घंटे सूरज के लिए जरूर आपको बैठना चाहिए. तो अगर आपने मशरूम रख लिया तो आपकी विटामिन डी पूरी कर लेगा. आप उस विटामिन डी को इस्तेमाल करें तो इस तरह आपका इकोनॉमिकल भी बचत होगा. विटामिन डी
If somebody has question, we can ask in lunch break.
Okay, thank you. Our last speaker for this session is Dr. Amir Iqbal, who has been a researcher at CIMET and currently working as a postdoctoral fellow under the supervision of Dr. Salim. Dr. Amir Iqbal, please due to the session of time, I may request you to confine your presentation 12 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, please quickly, because we have a good session.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And thank you, sir, for the introduction. Actually, I will conclude my presentation. I will try to conclude it in 5 minutes. And the presentation is basically based on field-based assessment of European wheat germplasm against yellow rust in the Himalayan region of Pakistan. This is the basic introductory slide. I think okay, this is the introductory slide about the plants, wheats and the production of wheat in Pakistan and as well as the global production of Pakistan. The wheat. This is the fungal rust pathogen of wheat slide where you can see the three types of most prominent rust diseases. Here you can see that wheat yellow rust is the powder which are present on the leaf are in yellow color, so therefore they are wheat yellow rust diseases, and same for the leaf rust diseases, which are also called as brown rust diseases, because the powder which are present on the leaf are in brown color, and also the stem rust, which is also called as black rust. And this is the photo taken during the 2019 epidemic, and it shows that the yellow rust pathogen better survive in the area where there are most weather conditions. And this slide is about yellow rust pathogen, that it is an airborne pathogen and it mostly infects the green tissues. And when it infects the green tissues, it reduces the total photosynthetic area of the leaf, and it also interrupts with the normal growth of the host and leading to the reduction in the yield. This slide shows the losses due to yellow rust diseases. A total of 10 to 70% of yield losses are expected because of this disease, and 100% yield losses are also expected in two conditions where the variety is susceptible and also the environment is favorable for the pathogen. Then it causes 100% of yield losses, and it also reduces the grain yield, nutrition and quality of the crop. And to control this disease, we have to go toward the genetic resistance, which is the only suitable option for the control. This slide shows the boom and bust cycle of the wheat crop and the pathogen. Simply, this slide shows that when a new variety is developed, so the area for the cultivation is increased because the farmer got interest in this variety and they cultivated on large area. On the other hand, so this is the boom stage of the wheat variety, and on the other hand, the pathogen is in the bust. This is the total germplasm which we have tested. A total of 30 European wheat germplasm were tested along with 3 local checks. This slide shows the multi-location trial. Here you can see that the trial was conducted in 2018, 19, 20, 21 and 22 at different locations of the Pakistan. These are the total. Okay, the disease scoring under the field condition was performed using the host reaction and the disease severity. These are the results where it shows the progression of the yellow rust infestation on these European wheat germplasm during location across years. And here you can see the disease was increased with the time, because the bar shows that the disease is increased, and same for the other years also. Also, we have conducted the stability analysis for these germplasm, and these are the yellow risk prevalence of these diseases on European wheat lines, where you can see that in the first 3 years, 2018 to 20, the disease was much more as compared to the remaining 2 years, 21 and 22. This is the average coefficient of infection of these lines. This actually, the ACI value is calculated to show that either our genotypes are resistant or they are partially resistant or susceptible. So here you can see the highlighted bars that Cartago variety shows the maximum ACI value, which is 27.1. So it means that this genotype has low level of high partial resistance as compared to the other which having the ACI value less than 5. And the overall conclusion of this objective is that the European germplasm which was tested here in Pakistan, it is an important source which can be used in further breeding and also for partial resistance of the yellow rust disease, and also it is one of the potential source for crossing further diversify the genetic pool. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Amir. Thank you very much. May I now request Dr. Rao Wali, the session chair, who is Director PRC, Station Multan, to conclude the session, sir, in a minute or two with the short time. Please, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. It's my honor to conclude the session for this very informative and very comprehensive technical sessions conducted by the eminent scientists from all over the country. And I am very grateful to see here that many scientists conducted almost maximum crop areas and their research areas, especially in wheat breeding programs, contributed the research from PRC, NARC, and the other our esteemed institutes like Ayub Research and the other. So the all sessions were very comprehensive and very good scientists shared their field experiences and their academic as well. So we all scientists conducted shared their knowledge about their fields, and we are happy to see and all informations. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. One last lunch will be offered immediately after the Jumma prayer to avoid the delays in the upcoming session. Thank you very much.